Ladies and gents, welcome back to the McArthur Industries Group down here in Sandgate, Auto Electrics and Automotive. Just want to run through a little bit of a toddy tip, and this is going to be a very, very small tip for people that probably don't lift the bonnet of their vehicle very often, which is something that respectively, I've got a partner, a listener at home that has got myself where I'm supposed to check underneath her bonnet all the time. So I've been told that these sort of things is under my guidance, but I want to give some people some tips of when they actually lift up their bonnet of things that they should be looking through and checking over, and it's not a minute thing. So when I think of that, you look at this vehicle, and young Sam will have a look at this later on and just show you on this vehicle, which is a high, sort of simple things, but he's going to come over here and he's going to see and point out there's a couple of yellow scenarios here which we're going to look at. One being washer fluid, another one being top of the radiator tank, the other one being oil, and the other one actually being only oil dipstick. So these are things that the manufacturers are highlighting these days. As you can see over in the back corner as well, we've got some brake fluid and also coming through, and we've got ABS units and stuff like that. So the manufacturers are highlighting these things. When you're in here and looking at these things, look up the manufacturer's books. It'll let you know exactly what's going to do. Checking these things regularly will make a big difference. I know you go and get your vehicle serviced and all these things are checked, and hopefully you get 10 to 15,000 k's out of it and not going. I'm not saying you have to check it every week, but what I'm asking you to do is when you are in there, open your bonnet up every 2 weeks, just check around there. And a big thing that we like people to have a look at is drive belts and stuff like that. You can see if there's things falling apart. It's only a visual check, so I'm not asking for somebody that has to have industry knowledge, gone and done a trade to look at these things. So I just want you to have a look over these sort of things to make your life smarter, that when you are giving us a call and there is something, you can make sure preventative maintenance is done where, hey Todd, it looks like the oil's down a little bit. On the other aspect of things, with Sandgate Auto Electrics and Automotive, we like to give you the old school driveway service. So when you're doing this and you're looking at something and you don't know, give us a call, drive past, drop in, and we'll get somebody to help you if you need to check these things quickly for you and get you out of the way. So if there's anything we can help you and you're thinking, oh, this is too hard, that old school driveway service where you used to drive and get petrol, somebody will come out and check these things, we still do it here for you. So we're just letting you know, if you are at home, you can check these things, but if you've got any problems, come down and see us and we'll help you out. Have a good day and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye.